God used Tumwine really to make us start the war, but not to go too far before we were ready. When Tumwine fired, there was a Tanzanian corporal who was near the armory. He heard the shot. He saw Magara's vehicle rushing. He went inside the armory and got a machine gun. So by the time the group went there, the man was already in, and this is a concrete bunker. So after we were blaming Tumwine that he had panicked. He should not have fired. He should have wrestled with the man physically. On the 9th, the Tanzanians attacked us. And that's why I'm telling you about God. God used Tumwine to spoil the plan so that we don't capture the guns, and the guns are then recaptured by the Tanzanians because we had no manpower to carry the guns. That's why I'm telling you that really God works in me, amazing. So again, I sent him Mugume Chaga, you go. He went. He went, and the soldiers were coming from drinking. He joined them and went and stayed near the barracks until morning. There was no alert. So we came. Masini was a big success. We had 760 guns from there. This is Tumwine's work, Masini. He was injured. He was brought by our network. Dr. Gwasaze, there were people who were looking after him. Dr. Gwasaze, they looked after him until he healed and came back and joined us. He didn't say, because I've been injured, let me stay out. No. He came back and continued and has been continuing. Dying at 68, he was still young, but he had achieved a lot.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.